Hey there. Today, we're talking about something that bothers many people. Contact dermatitis. Contact dermatitis is a type of skin inflammation that occurs when you come into contact with a substance that irritates your skin or causes an allergic reaction. But guess what? It's a common issue and, most importantly, it's solvable. We'll go step by step so you can get your skin back to feeling great. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Identify the cause. First and foremost, you need to identify what's causing your contact dermatitis. Common irritants include soap, jewelry, or certain plants like poison ivy. If you're not sure, consider visiting a healthcare provider for a patch test recommended by the American Academy of Dermatology. Step 2. Clean the area. Once you've identified the irritant, gently clean the area with unscented soap and cold water. Avoid using hot water, as it could worsen the irritation. Step 3. Dry properly. Pat the area dry with a clean towel. Don't rub, as it could worsen the inflammation. Step 4. Apply corticosteroid cream. Apply a thin layer of over-the-counter corticosteroid cream to the affected area. A review in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology suggests that corticosteroid creams are effective for treating contact dermatitis. Step 5. Cold compress. To relieve itching and swelling, you can apply a cold compress to the area. Just wrap some ice cubes in a clean towel and gently press it against the affected area for about 20 minutes. Step 6. Take an antihistamine. Consider taking an over-the-counter antihistamine like Benadryl to help alleviate itching. This advice is backed up by a study published in the journal Clinical Reviews in Allergy and Immunology. Step 7. Moisturize. After the corticosteroid cream has been absorbed, apply a moisturizer to the area. Choose a hypoallergenic and fragrance-free moisturizer to avoid further irritation. Step 8. Avoid the irritant. This might sound simple, but it's crucial. Make sure you avoid contact with the irritant in the future. You might need to read labels more carefully or wear gloves when handling potential irritants. There you have it, folks. Step by step, you now know how to get rid of contact dermatitis fast. Always remember, if your symptoms persist or worsen, consult a healthcare provider for proper diagnosis and treatment. If this video was helpful, please hit that subscribe button, share with friends and family, and drop us a comment below. Until next time, take care.